In this video, we will explain the different certification courses we offer for the following: scissor lifts and aerial lifts, warehouse forklifts, pallet jacks and order pickers, and rough terrain forklifts. If you need to make sure you are 100% OSHA compliant, you're in the right place. Whether you operate a forklift, aerial lift, or scissor lift, we've got the certification you need. For MEWP, scissor lifts, and aerial lifts, we offer both supervisor and operator certification. The operator certification is meant for all the employees you have in-house. It consists of an online training curriculum with quizzes and an exam that can usually be completed in less than an hour. Our exam is learning-oriented, so your operators can take it as many times as they need to pass. The operator must undergo a hands-on evaluation by a certified trainer evaluator at your facility. This hands-on evaluation must occur after the completion of the online certification course. This course is available in both English and Spanish. We also offer Supervisor Trainer certification, which will equip your best employee with all of the knowledge they need to perform the hands-on evaluation for aerial lift operators. They will also be trained and certified with all of the best practices established by OSHA for safe operation of aerial lifts. Note that the completion of the online trainer certification is not intended for use as an operator safety training program and does not include any operator training materials, cards, or certificates. It is intended to accompany the online operator training program. We also offer a variety of forklift certifications. If you have a standard warehouse forklift, then you need certification for Class 1, 4, and 5. These forklifts are the most common in any building with a loading dock. This includes electric, internal combustion, and propane-powered industrial lift trucks. If you have a pallet jack or order picker, then you need certification for Class 2 and 3. These are commonly used in warehouses and fulfillment centers. This includes powered walk-behind, rider, and narrow aisle lifts. If you have a rough terrain forklift, then you need certification for Class 7. These are commonly used in construction and agriculture. Other names for Class 7 lifts are telehandlers, boom lifts, straight mast forklifts, and extended boom lifts. All of the forklift certification courses consist of an online training curriculum, exam, and a hands-on evaluation by a certified trainer. You can also get your Forklift Qualified Trainer Evaluator certification here. As a bonus, we also offer fall protection and HAZWOPER certification. Thank you for visiting us, and we hope to serve all of your certification needs.